So what's up, you guys? Thanks for coming back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. In today's video, I will be showing you a welcome fall DIY. I will try to leave a link below, but here I'm using foam board and wire edge ribbon. I cut the wire edge ribbon to the sides of the top of the board, the top trimming and the side trimmings of the board. As you see here, is only on the end of my board, and I use tape to make it stay in place, but I would also recommend you use hot glue and tape to make it really stay together. As you see me doing here, I'm just using tape. I will also show you how to measure out the ribbon edge. All you have to do is also, if you want to see the other video where I did this, is click the end card above. Make sure you subscribe, like, hit the notification bell to see more videos like this. Okay, here you would see me using a garland. This is a garland of leaves, and what I'm doing, I'm cutting all the leaves off of this garland so I can glue them to the foam board, and you'll see me do that in a few minutes. This is what it would look like once you cut all of the leaves off the garland. It'll just look like leaves fell off a tree or so. Here on this part of the video, I will be showing you how to glue the leaves to the foam board to make them stick. And I use the hot glue gun, and you glue it with the hot glue gun. When you glue it with the hot glue gun, you have to go ahead and instantly glue the put the leaves on top of the glue, because if you don't, it will not hold, and you're gonna have to glue it again to make it hold. Okay, here I'm just going to let you watch me put the glue in the leaf on top of the glue, and I'm just gonna speed it up so you can see what I'm talking about. And please make sure you subscribe, like, hit the notification bell to see more videos like this. This is my second time using a glue gun. The first time I had a terrible time with the glue gun. The glue kept unsticking and all that, but I got the hang of it this time. So, and again, I'll leave that end card up above, so click on it after this video. Here I will be showing you how I put this project together, and that. Okay, here I am taking the two foam boards that I decorated with the leaves, and I'm pushing them together, and then I'm gonna use tape. I use milling tape to hold these together, and I'm gonna start from the bottom of my foam board, and I'm gonna press all the way up to the top of my foam board. Once I do that, I will turn this foam board over to the back of the foam board, and I will continue to tape it down, press and tape it down to hold it together. And you will be seeing me do this process along in this video. With that being said, please make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment below, and like this video. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button to see more content like this, to see more DIYs, more shopping hauls, shopping sprees, and whatever you want or whatever I randomly select. this, we will start putting the poster letters on top of this and spell out welcome fall. Here you see me. The way you put this adhesive wrap on is you take the paper off the back of it and then you stick it on the foam board or wherever you plan on placing it, and then press down to make sure it stays on there. And you'll see me repeat this. Here you will start glue gunning all of your letters onto the adhesive wrap. And sorry for this mess here. This is just the stuff that I was decorating with. That was just stuff I was decorating with. Here's the finishing touches. Hope you all enjoyed it.